Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2020 BMW X1. Comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, built-in navigation, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. You're going to have this black interior, paneling and storage on the bottom, and the power trunk release there. And here we'll go to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the chrome accent handle. The BMW badging there. These power adjustable, leather heated seats. Driver adjustable with seat memory, super comfortable. Turn on these vents here. Left side, you're going to have your lighting control. The left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control. The right side will be your voice recognition, volume and mode control. And as well, as you can see here through your rider, it's all through the radio there. Now, going to the infotainment system. Everything you can access through here or touchscreen. Just this little dial. And you can see pretty much everything from communication to well as your navigation. There you go. As well as you can access your vehicle status. That's going to give you all of your settings, especially your gauges, as well as your trip computer, and as well as your driver assistance like lane keep assist, lane departure, much more. Below, you're going to have CD player, as well as a radio and dual zone climate control. Below that, you're going to have a 12 volt as well as a USB port, some extra storage. And in the shifter, you're going to have your drive mode selector with Sport and Eco Pro, your park assist, hill descent control. Like I said, that's going to be your odometer control, next to the parking brake, and center console. With more USB ports right there, extra storage. Passenger side, power adjustable, same finish. You're also going to have built-in ambient lighting, speakers up top, and then here you can access reading lamps, SOS, and your panoramic sunroof. We're going to do 18-inch aluminum wheels on Nokian Hakkapeliitta studless tires, paint match mirror caps, and keyless entry door handle. Little luggage side rails in the back, deep tinted rear glass, dual exhaust tips. Come to the back, you're going to have foldable seats. You can add a splitter in here if you would like. You got extra storage down below as well as mesh storage. Very spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior. Lots of extra storage on the door there, next to the speaker, the power window. Mesh storage behind each of the seats with rear ventilation and rear USB-C. Cup holder and, oh, I gotta get there. There we go, cup holder and armrest right in the center there. As well as you're gonna have lamps and handles on the side, and above you again, a panoramic sunroof. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2020 BMW X1. Comes equipped with a 2-liter turbo engine, as well as leather heated seats, navigation, ambient lighting, lane departure warning, panoramic sunroof, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.